I immediately get my cigarette and put it in my mouth. I'm walking in the airport and the security say to me, "Hey, no smoking." And I tell him, "Yes, I know." Nayabang ko pa. So when I was walking, I'm about to reach the gate of the airport, about 5 steps, and suddenly one guard say, "Hey, where's your bag?" I told them, "There, oh." Then the security say, "Get your bags." I cannot say why, because they're the police and I'm afraid of the police. So I get my bag, they check me, and they put all my clothes off, which make me embarrassed, but I have no choice. So I did what they told me. I removed my clothes. They say that I have to raise my eggs. So I raised my eggs. Please, but this event really happened. So I raised my egg, no drugs. They didn't see any drugs. They told me to about face and spread my ass. So I did it, no drugs. In short, it's just an experience I have in Dubai. But when I reach Qatar, in the airplane, I sit in the business class. Oh my God, very nice. All the trip, I'm just sleeping and eating airplane foods. Sobrang lamig dito, napapa-English na ako. Pag wala mo kayong gagawin, if you're nothing to do, March 8 will be in Bacolod. Sana makapunta kayo. Ito yung sa Bacolod gawin. Pwede na kumanta ulit. Salamat sa mga taugama, nagawa sa amin sa mga guardians. Sige lang, FT na salamat. Thank you very much. Sobrang saya po na experience namin sa Dubai, sa Qatar, sa Doha. Sobrang okay. Oh my God. This next song is a rest song. When we sing this, we have a rest. This for the people who work too hard. Even you work too hard and you have many money, if you are not happy, there is not happiness in your life. But even though you have only money, but you have your friends and your family, you are happy. What am I saying here? Next one namin, tungkol sa pahinga, dahil po nito, Petix tayo magsayaw. Kailan mahuli ang iyong mga mata? Bakit ka muna sa iyong mga ginagawa? Ay magkakaya kung mabilis kang nakita mo na nga ba? Salamin ang iyong mukha. Kung anything, ayos ka, bakit? Mukha ka ng 300. Baka di mo mamalayan o sinagdaraan.